Okay, I'm just gonna initialize the parameters and I'll explain the reasoning behind this in a second. So numpy random.random. This should kind of be familiar to you. N by x, and we're gonna initialize that with small numbers 0.01, and b1 is gonna be, it already did it for us. Okay, great. And w2 is gonna be numpy.random, and it's gonna be an n by y and an n by h matrix vector, and b2 is going to be, and it does that for us also. And then I'm just going to say cache is equal to, actually I'll just call this params. So I'm going to say params is equal to w1, b1, and w2, and finally, it already does that for us. Okay, and I'm just gonna return params. So I'm gonna, okay, sorry for the cut. I'm gonna explain the reasoning. So our x, so so x, 3, 2, 1, and our hidden layer, let's say it is 5 neurons, and I'm gonna do x4 here so it looks better. So our w1 is gonna be a this by this matrix vector. So neuron number, which is 5. So I'll just do 5 right now. 5 by x, and there's 4x inputs, right? And b is just gonna be a 5 by 1, right? Because it's not taking any inputs. And if you guess right, this is just gonna be a this by this matrix vector. So this is gonna be a y, however many inputs it gets, right? Y, and y is this. Y is it like this. However many neurons are in that layer, it's gonna be that, and then by the previous layer, right? So it's gonna be a y by 5. So y by 5 matrix, right? And to clear this up in my code, this is going to be nh, this is going to be nx, and you can guess that's nh, and this is going to be n y, right? Because yeah, you get the point. And this is going to be obviously an nh, right? If you remember in our code, by nh, and I forgot to initialize it here too, so do that. And then all this produces our prediction y hat. So I hope this kind of makes sense.